Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Muhammad Fasiuddin Bhatt, and our group consists of five more members: Dr. Najam, Mr. Qadir, Mr. Talha, Mr. Nazir, and Ma'am Amna. Also, one of the members, Ms. Umara, she is not a registered user, but she helped us in this work. Let me share the slides with you. Um, so, PetGAI, or Personalized Education with Tutor with Generative AI, is an innovative educational platform leveraging generative AI to personalize and enhance learning for students of grades 6 to 10. It ensures that we have inclusivity and scalability. What our vision is that we want to bridge the educational divide by making personalized learning accessible and impactful. So, in a way, we are democratizing education, and that is our mission, so that access of high quality education is available for underserved communities. Our slogan is empowering education for all. By personalized learning, creating personalized lesson paths that adjust to each student's unique pace and style, uh, help them prepare for exams, utilizing targeted quizzes and progress tracking to boost student readiness for exams. And it's a scalable solution where we have a flexible platform that addresses educational challenges like resource inequality. Statistics show that there are 300,000 schools all over Pakistan and 2,600,000 teachers teaching in these schools. From grade 1 to 12, or class 1 to 12, there are students around 13 million of these students are attending public schools, while 26 million are studying in private schools. Around 2 million students are studying in madrasas, whereas 26 million children are out of school. So our target is these children from grade 1 to 12, and we are focusing especially on classes 6 to 10, that is secondary school, because there most of the students, because they are unable to cope with the subject, uh, they their dropout ratios are high. So, especially students studying in public schools and some of the low uh, privileged private schools, and also in madrasas. So, the key features and innovations of our product is adaptive learning framework. It leverages Llama 3.1-B Instant to create personalized lesson plans and uses API key from Grok. It is an interactive educational tool which generates custom quizzes, topics, and course materials from the uploaded study materials. We have a visual dashboard offering detailed insights into student progress, highlighting areas for improvement and celebrating achievements. And there are actionable matrices providing educators and parents with matrices to evaluate the effectiveness of the interventions. So the technical implementation involved following steps. The app displays list of topics for the users to select. In step 2, the app utilizes LLM to auto-generate text relevant to the selected topic. In step 3, content is dynamically tailored using LLMs to generate quizzes. In step 4, the user is asked to choose from 4 choices to complete the quiz. The last and final step generates feedback whether the user has mastered the topic or he or she needs more efforts. So the benefit and impact of our product is first of all its global reach because it's accessible to all. Its engagement, transforming learning into an interactive and stimulating experience. So we want students to enjoy this experience, have fun in learning, It is personalization, individual lesson plans, and feedback cater to unique learning needs and the skill development. So it empowers students to build foundational skills in literacy, numeracy, and critical thinking. Our future strategic directions include that we would like to expand the scope of this topic and this app and broaden the topics to different grades and to diverse educational needs. We will collaborate with NGOs, schools, and libraries to enhance outreach and educational impact. And also, offline features will be added in there so that strong offline AI capability for areas where there is limited digital access can be ensured, and that will result in inclusivity of different uh, backgrounds. We will also target multilingual capabilities in our app. So, in conclusion, PetGAI is a groundbreaking solution poised to transform education for millions of students worldwide. By combining generative AI, adaptive learning, and innovative technology, it bridges the gap between privilege and disadvantage. It emphasizes on affordability, personalization, and scalability, and ensures that every learner, regardless of background, has the opportunity to excel. So, from PET GI, education becomes not just a means to success, but a vehicle for equity, empowerment, and lifelong growth. Now, I will show you the demonstration of our application. Um, Here is the Hugging Face interface, which is available. We will share it with you as well. So, first of all, it generates a welcome message. And we have only shown it for grade 6 science tutor, and the topics are listed here. Number one is cellular organization, reproduction in plants, and so on. So let's suppose we enter a topic, let's say number 5, and we want to learn that topic. So it shows us matter as particles, and what is matter, tiny particles of matter, what's inside an atom, and so on. And once the student has read all this, uh, he can enter take a quiz. What is the name of the concept that refers to small indivisible particle that makes up a substance? So, so let's suppose if I enter A and submit my answer, it says try again. If I enter C, it shows us good, you have mastered this topic. So uh, another another try can be made on, let's say, number 6, learn the topic. So it elements and compounds, and take the quiz. What is the main difference between an element and a compound? So a compound is a single atom. B, an element is a pure substance made up of only one type of atom, etc. Compound has a fixed composition, while element does not. Uh, Element is naturally occurring. So let me add B. Oops, it is giving me. So take quiz, element and a compound, submit answer. Okay, so let's suppose I submit this, I submit B. Okay, so there seems like it can give us sometimes wrong answers. Let's try something else. Um, Number 4. So, so, here it is regarding human digestive system. and take a quiz. I think this one is also wrong. आई थिंक क्या करें जी, ये तो मसला हो गया है। ये ये तो मसला हो गया, मुझे दोबारा से लेनी पड़ेगी। ये तो दो गलतियां हो गई हैं डॉक्टर नजम।
सर 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 जो
सर
फर्स्ट टाइम, सर जो
हाँ
पहला वाला था ना, पहला जो
हाँ हाँ।
आपने किया है ना, बस वहां तक
हम्म।
वीडियो स्टॉप करें और इसको अपलोड कर दे बस।
यार बात सुनो, वो ठीक है। अच्छा वीडियो कहाँ है? वीडियो तो मिल ही नहीं रही। वीडियो किधर है?
सर
वीडियो
रिकॉर्डिंग अभी
रिकॉर्डिंग
शुरू है।
है?
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करें, रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करें फिर